Are you wondering if YouTube TV will ever get Bally Sports? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain the likelihood of Bally Sports joining YouTube TV. If you're a fan of regional sports coverage, including NBA, NHL, or MLB games, you'll want to hear this. As of now, Bally Sports is not available on YouTube TV, and there's no official confirmation that it will be added anytime soon. Regional sports networks, RSNs, like Bally Sports, often have complex licensing agreements, which can make it difficult for streaming platforms like YouTube TV to include them. This has been a challenge for many cord cutters who rely on RSNs for local team coverage. That said, YouTube TV occasionally negotiates new deals, so it's worth keeping an eye on updates from the platform. In the meantime, if Bally Sports is essential for you, consider subscribing to services like Hulu, plus Live TV, Sling TV, or exploring team-specific streaming options. If this video helped you understand the current status of Bally Sports on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.